In this video, I will be showing you how to export customer data. To access your export, go to Customers in the left column, then click Export. Here you can select what information you would like to collect. There are 3 predefined templates. These are direct mailing list, email mailing list and telephone list. When a template is selected, it will pre-select the essential information you would need for the template. If you want to export additional information, click the tick boxes with the information you would like to include. Choosing a template is only optional. If you would like to include all the information from a certain section, click the Toggle All box. This will select the entire column. To deselect, just click the tick box again to remove the selections. Once you have selected what data you would like to export, click the Export Customers button. This downloads an Excel spreadsheet that contains all the information you have selected.